one of my work with you. What do you think? Look here, what do you think? Is this a clock? Yes, this is a special clock which always tells the opposite. Let's see. We know the minute hand and hour hand in a clock. Like that, we have two hands. The word hand which shows the word and the opposite hand which shows the opposite word. Read the word bright, dark, deep, shallow. Today I have met in front of me. Bird, the mind is clear and the head is at high. Bird, not in deep. Bird, the bird has not brought up into front, but narrow the one. Bird come out, some the depth of truth. Bird, silent dream, stretches its arm towards perfection. Principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. Very good morning to all of you. Today, I would like to share my thoughts about the need to save our planet. Our environment contains natural resources like soil, water, air, and food. Plants and animals are also the part of our environment. Due to increasing human population, environment is getting affected at once. I am in green color, but not a leaf. Gopi Saddam, but is not a monkey. Who am I? A parrot. Next, we are brothers from the same mother, but not we have never met. What are we? Day and night.
I would like to tell a story. Name is The Great Elephant. One day an elephant wandered on the jungle in search of friends. He saw a monkey on a tree. Elephant said, "Will you be my friend?" Monkey replied, "You are too big. You can't swing from tree on the branches like me." Next day he met a rabbit. "Will you be my friend?" Rabbit, "You are too big. You can't play in my burrow." Then he went to a frog. "Please make friendship with me." "How is possible? You are too big. You can't leap about like me." "Please, Mr. Lion, do not eat up all poor animals." Lion replied, "Mind your own business." The elephant had no choice but to give to the lion a hefty kick. The frightened lion ran his life. The elephant back to the jungle and announced good news to all. All animals are thanked him and said, "You are just right size for our friend." The message of the story: a friend need is a friend deeds. Thank you.
Today I am reciting the poem If by Rudyard Kipling. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you. If you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too.
Hi all, hope you all doing good. Today I would like to deliver a few sentences about our health. We all know health is wealth. If a person is not having good health, he will not able to enjoy the life to the fullest. Health is the biggest wealth of a human in entire lifetime. Money doesn't make a person beauty, but good health does.
Hi friends, I am Anamika. I am studying St. Anthony's HSS Putambirika. Today I will make a paper flower. Materials required: glue, color paper, scissors. First, cut the color paper in half. Repeat like this. Cut with scissors like this. Open the paper and stick it like this. Similarly, cut and paste the yellow color paper 2 cm and 7 cm long. Then green color paper 4 cm by 23 cm long. Roll up like this. Now see that the leaves are formed. Cut the green color paper in the shape of leaf. Stick like this on the base of the flower. Look at the beautiful flower is ready. Didn't all friends try to make it? Thank you.